Welcome to the Bad Boys YouTube channel. This is one of our content segment, that is the printing world. And on this video, we're going to explore the unit. The unit that is commonly used in the printing world, such as pixel, point, DPI, and LPI. So, without further ado, let us start. We will start with the pixel. And to do this, we need to observe an image. Let's take this palm tree pictures as an example. If we zoom here, you can see that the image is constructed by blocks of small square. And this small square, we call it pixel. And for an image file, we calculate the size by counting how many pixels in a column and row. And then we get the width and the height of that image in pixels. There is also an easy way to do this. Just look at the Detail tab in the File Properties. There, you can see the dimension of the image, the width and the height in pixel. Okay, next is point. So what is a point? To put it simply, point is a unit of length and is commonly used to define font size. As you can remember, the number drop down next to the font name selection, that is very common in design application, word processing application, and much more. There is one important thing to remember, that is 72 point equal 1 inch. So let's say you have a font with the size of 12 point. How big is it in an inch? With a simple math, we can get the actual physical size of the font. What we need to do is divide the font size by 72 and we will get the font size in inches. For this example, we divide 12 by 72 and we get 1/6 of an inch. Easy, right? Continuing, DPI, dot per inch. DPI or dot per inch is a unit of resolution for image files, printers, computer to film CTF, and computer to plate CTP. Okay, let's say you came across a brochure for a printer that looked like this. You can definitely say that this is a 600 DPI printer. So what is DPI represent? It represents the smallest dot size that a printer can produce for any color. So how small is it? It's easy. We divide 1 by the DPI value. For this example, we divide 1 by 600. So for a 600 DPI printer, the smallest dot that it can produce with any color is 1/600 of an inch. The smallest dot should have 1/600 of an inch for its width and 1/600 of an inch for its height. Image files also come with DPI value. You can see it on the Detail tab in the File Properties window. Here, you can see the dimension, width, and height. And you see also the DPI value, and for this image is 300 DPI. Looking from this information, you can actually get the intention physical size of the image. To do that, we will divide the width value in pixel by its DPI. And we will also do the same with the height value. So as you can see, we can actually manipulate the image physical size by changing the DPI value without changing the width or the height value. Next is LPI. LPI stands for line per inch. So what is LPI? LPI is a unit of resolution for a physical printed image. Okay, I will explain. Let's say you have this palm tree image. If you have it on your hard drive or you're looking it through your monitor, then the resolution is DPI. But if you print that image on a shirt or paper, then the resolution is LPI. So in the digital form, the resolution is DPI, and the physical form, the resolution is LPI. But how can we observe or get the LPI value of a printed image? Well, to understand this, we need to understand halftoning. If you don't have any knowledge in halftoning, just bear with me, because we might make a video about it. Okay, let's say we have this frog image, a grayscale image, and we want to print this image, and we want to print it in black and white. So this is what you get. Though it is not very accurate, you need to magnify it several times to see that the image is constructed by dot. And usually for black color, the dot, or in this case the raster, will be at the 45-degree angle. When you make a line cutting the dots at 45-degree angle, you can make a virtual line. So this virtual line is formed by a raster joining together at a certain angle. And if you count how many lines per inch, then you will get LPI. Okay, let me pull a new image. Can you see the difference between the image on the left and the right? On the right image, you can see more detail. And this is because the right image has bigger LPI value than the left image. So as you can see, the LPI value corresponds to the printed image resolution. And I think this is the end of our segment for this video. We really hope you enjoy this. This is the Bad Boy signing out. See you in our next video. Bye bye.